to Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Today, I'm going to make a special letter keychain. It is special because I'm going to make this for one of my friends and fellow YouTuber, Rosela Tordecilla. Rosela and me are doing a collaboration, which means that this video will also be shown to her viewers. So, hello to Rosela's viewers and subscribers. Hi Rosela! So come and let's make this special letter keychain for Rosela. So this is what I'm going to do for Miss Rosela. This is the design that I made for her. Letter R for Rosela. And she will get a lot of decorations, especially for her. This is a flower, half a flower. I'm giving her 3 pearls, 3 golds, and a big gem. And this will be lots and lots of glitter. It will be colored peach here and pink in this side. Okay, and these are the decorations that I prepared for her. The flower, the pearls, the gem, the gold, and the leaf. And of course, the glitter. And let us start. I already printed Rosela's name. And it's going to go here. The letter R right here. It will be like this. An hour has passed and it's about time to pour our colored resin. I already made my resin here and colored. Put some color. This and this. And now it says this one will be peach color and this side will be pink. So let's do it. Okay, 24 hours has passed and it's unmolding time for this lovely letter keychain for Rosela. Let's see what's at the other side of it. Molding, unmolding, it's always exciting to do unmolding. I'll close it first and then show it. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Oops. Okay. Let's see. Rosela and all the golds and the big gem and the flower. All right. So very good. Success. The next thing that we will do is polish it and then put our chain, and that's it. Okay, so let's do it. So thank you guys for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed our letter keychain making again today for my special friend Rosela Tordecilla, which we had a collaboration of our videos. I hope you enjoyed watching, and always watch my video every time. And for those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Just click the subscribe button below. Thank you, and bye-bye.